Okay, we've removed all the pieces from the box and discarded all the packing material, including the spacing blocks. And step one is to grab the center tower and the two side supports. Start by sliding one side support onto the center base. Make sure it's centered all the way through and press it down. And then slide the second one with the painted side out. All the way on, make sure it's centered, press it down firmly. The next step is to grab your two sign holders, center it, press it down at the same time, and then grab your lower supports, slide it all the way in, center it, and press it down to lock it into place. Inside the hardware box, you'll find 2 bolts and 2 cap head nuts. Press the nut in firmly. And tighten using the supplied Allen key. Finish with that. Slide the graphic in. The wire hang bars go in with the small piece pointing up into the hole and drop down. Better take them up.
I'm gonna write out what I'm thinking. I'm assuming
That's
320